Hello, Michigan Restorers. I'm here with my Michigan law partner, Angela Bajramaj, former corporate counsel of BELFOR Property Restoration, where she oversaw all of BELFOR's U.S. collections. And we are excited to tell everybody about a Michigan Restoration Collections webinar that we're conducting. And that's coming up on June 22nd, 2023. It's a lunch and learn, 12 noon Eastern time. And the reason we're doing this is because collections is the biggest problem in the restoration industry right now. Angela, give us a couple of reasons why you think that's happening.
Well, I think there's a couple of reasons that are really common as to why restoration contractors are having difficulty getting paid. I think the first is that they've got to overcome challenges to their scope and to their pricing from desk adjusters and from third-party consultants who are, reviewing their bills and saying, "Oh, this is too much, and you need to cut this down a little bit." And then I think the second reason that they often encounter problems is when they have property owners who, for a myriad of reasons, end up refusing to pay for the work that was completed at the end of the job. Those are the two most common reasons that we see, and we're going to cover in our webinar some of the tips and strategies and techniques for dealing with these situations once they arise and before they arise.
That's good. And when do you think restorers should start thinking about the collections process to lay the groundwork for a successful collection?
So successfully collecting on a job, it starts on day one of the job. A happy customer is going to be a lot more likely to pay than an unhappy customer. And there's a couple of things that you need to do along the way to keep your customers happy, namely setting up realistic expectations, making sure that they understand what the process is going to be, what the timeline is going to be, what the cost is going to be, communicating effectively, and then thoroughly documenting your work. And if you learn how to do these three things correctly, you're going to eliminate a lot of the issues that restorers often confront when they want to get paid on a job and they're having difficulty.
The insurance industry is trying to lock the restoration industry into generic pricing. And one of the things we're going to be talking about is how restorers can achieve freedom from these handcuffs of generic pricing. We're going to talk about cutting edge contract strategies. We're going to talk about ways to maximize the benefit that you get from mechanics liens. And so please join us June 22nd, 2023, 12 noon Eastern time. You can sign up for this at edcross.com/webinar. Thank you. We look forward to seeing you in the webinar.
Thanks, Ed.